Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this webinar. In this webinar, we will explain how Advantech is commoditizing industrial IoT, and also how you can generate real business in IoT today. We have a very good lineup of speakers that covers the Advantech strategy that can help you accelerate your industrial IoT solution. My name is Choi Xiu, and I'm head of marketing for Advantech Europe for the Embedded IoT group. So firstly, Alan Yang, our CTO, will talk about how Advantech is incorporating artificial intelligence and enable IoT with our data platform called Wise-PaaS. After Alan, I will introduce our Wise-PaaS VIP program about how this platform can accelerate your IoT solution. This will be followed by an introduction to our co-creation strategy, which will be covered by Tony Liu, our corporate investment manager. After that, we will ask Arturo Lotito, our director for IoT business development, to cover a program called Solution Ready Package. Last but not least, Pierluigi from Alianza. He is the director for Industry 4.0 within Alianza. And Alianza is our first European Solution Ready package partner. So they will introduce what this Solution Ready package is and what the benefit is to the market. So now I'll give the floor to Alan Yang, who will go into more details about AI and enabling IoT with our data platform Wise-PaaS.
Distinguished guests and dear partners, welcome to this webinar. I'm Alan Yang, I'm CTO of Advantech. I would like to take this opportunity to share with you one option of how to realize digital transformation using AI plus IoT and the data platform from Advantech Wise-PaaS. On November 1st and 2nd, in Suzhou, China, we held a very successful IoT Summit. During that event, we have overwhelming attendance with a lot of technical sessions, many live demos from partners of solutions based on Wise-PaaS, and a lot of workout meets to engage each other and how to develop business together. From that very successful event, we have clearly figured out a robust ecosystem and value chain of industry IoT. At the very foundation is the computational resource offered by public cloud service providers. Or if you insist that data has to be on premises, you can also choose to go with a private cloud, in which we offer in the form of WiseStack. Based on the computational platform, move on to the second layer, starting from the edge data collection based on the embedded systems or the IPCs offered by Advantech. From the data acquisition, we pump the data into the data platform. Collectively, we call Wise-PaaS. Based on the data platform, then we'll build on top of it solutions. Advantech offer a few reference solutions in selected areas. In most of the cases, we invite our partners to develop a solution based on Wise-PaaS and Advantech Edge platforms together. And then from the solutions already developed, we are inviting domain-focused system integrators who will be doing the on-site installation, customization, and then the ensuing solution operation. And for domain-focused SI, it could be either new companies or existing SIs who are looking for transform into cloud services, or actually the factory automation teams or the IT team of key accounts, where they would like to expand beyond IT system, incorporate OT, IoT, and AI to do the digital transformation. So on the very far right is the digital transformation of all industry. It's the targeted audience, the targeted user of all this so-called the digital journey. The way that we would continue to promote Wise-PaaS together with our partners through 3 prongs of efforts. One is continuing technology development that continue to expand cloud infrastructure, visualization, AI framework, asset performance framework. Another prong is the business lending effort together with our partners through VIP program, through marketplace. And then another prong is to evolve the ecosystem who find Wise-PaaS to be a viable option. The IoT solution has to deliver real value to end customers in the form of a packaged solution. So in year 2019, Advantech will continue to evolve and deliver 5A plus SRPs in the form of connected asset management in the form of device M+, or intelligent factories solution portfolio, or device zone for edge platform management, or a command center for service-oriented type of scenario like shopping mall or hospitals. And then again, for the customer who insists on data be on premises, we also have the Wise-PaaS, the private cloud we call Wise-Stack available. Even though the SRPs are targeting different scenarios, we found actually they can be built based on a very consistent and unified framework based on the Wise-PaaS 3.0. At the very foundation layer is the edge intelligence from the data acquisition and edge data processing, even with the AI model trained in the cloud and then deployed to the edge. That's the foundation layer at the edge. In the PaaS layer, the middle data platform layer, we have the computational resource management layer, and then we have the application PaaS consists of visualization, AI, and asset performance. Based on these framework services, then partners can quickly develop AIoT solutions targeting different vertical scenarios. From the SRPs, then the DFSI can come in and start the industrial cloud services very quickly. So this is the Wise-PaaS 3.0 architecture. We hope to accelerate the whole ecosystem involvement. Here is one example where we have put together a CNC remote management solution very quickly. On the upper left corner, it's a global geographical view of where the assets are. On the upper right corner is on the production line, each of the equipment, the historical and current operation status. On the lower left corner is the real-time critical parameter statuses of each of the machine in question. And the lower right corner is the exception report and diagnosis. With this, operators can quickly improve their operational efficiency based on this solution. And for continuous process type of scenario, we also offer 2D or 3D process visualization based on the SAS composer, binding the data from the point of interest, and then attaching the business logic and rule associated with managing the equipment from there. Of course, with all the data collected and the value extraction out of it, the very effective way of generating value out of the data is through AI. So Wise-PaaS is designed with empowering industrial data using AI in mind. Again, starting from the very left, the foundation layer is gathering data, and with the data platform is how to consistently manage the data and adding the scalability and the robustness to it. And then the third tier is actually quickly developing effective solution using the visualization or AI framework service, AFS, and then the improving the asset performance using APM. In the end, again, is to facilitate the digital transformation of all targeted customers in different verticals. This is the AFS for any one of you find this interesting. We encourage you to dig further in our technical sites or engage with your account managers. Again, it's data collection and pairing with the algorithm and training the model and then deploy the model on the edge and then solve real problems. And AI basically build a model and monitor, improve, but then it has to bind to real problem on real assets, real equipment. So APM, asset performance management, is tiring together the AI model and using it to do preventive or predictive or performance optimization. For any of you who find the topic that I just mentioned very quickly interesting, we strongly encourage you to dig deeper via Knowledge Portal, where we offer more high-level conceptual explanation of each of the topics that I just covered. And if you find those topics interesting enough, again, strongly encourage you to go to Technical Portal, where we have technical documents, we have reference sample codes, we have manuals for you to get started. And then if you find discussion is helpful, we have a developer forum. We have a developer community where you can have Q&As over there. In order to back up our partners in each of the region to get started and be successful with Wise-PaaS in North America, in Europe, in China, in Korea, in Japan, and in Asia, we have set up the RP.Sense team. Wise-PaaS, Solution Enabling Service team, who are trained professional, knowledgeable on Wise-PaaS, knowledgeable on how to develop and how to enlist your solutions onto our marketplace, how to generate business. Strongly encourage you to find the RP.Sense staff to do next level of dialogue and development. Again, we have set up a 24/7 service backup for all the solutions already running on the Wise-PaaS platform. And then for each type of different problem that our partners might find, we have a corresponding service track to deal with it. And we hope that together we can capture these rare opportunities of industrial IoT, leveraging AIs, leveraging this Wise-PaaS solution as an offer, as an option that you can consider to build next level of solution, and then move on to capture the huge opportunity of digital transformation of all vertical industries. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much, Alan. So let me first cover our Wise-PaaS VIP program before we let Tony be the next speaker. So what is the Wise-PaaS VIP program? It's a ticket to the AIoT world. Why do we say this? So this VIP program contains a couple of key benefits. First of all, it lets you network within our partner network program. It provides a lot of resources. As well, we are offering you a go-to-market strategy. So what does that mean? So we have over 300 partners that are already in this network, that are using this Wise-PaaS platform. And on this on our marketplace where we're offering this platform, we have over 130 different kinds of solutions from our partners, because this platform also offers an agile development environment to deploy and host your application. So through this platform, we also see that we have made over $1.5 million worth of transactions to sell licenses, to sell services, but also to provide cloud services. And because it's a cloud platform, it's easy to expand and to scale. So at the moment, we are covering 16 regions globally, and this can easily be scaled to many more if there's a business requirement for that. So the main benefits to join the Wise-PaaS Alliance as a VIP member is this go-to-market, the speed to market. So with already 130 different kind of IoT solutions available, you can easily get access to these existing solutions and repeat that in your local market. Also, on the marketplace, you can find material about training, you can find white papers for, and also get access to technical support. Included in the VIP membership, you also have 10 hours of consultation. So as I mentioned, there are over 300 partners that are using the same network, that are in the same network. So it's also easy to matchmake. So let's say if you're focusing on Industry 4.0 and you're active in the European market at the moment, and you would like to expand your market to the other regions, then through this alliance network, you can find the right partners for that. Next to that, we, as Advantech, together with our partners, we have a lot of online as well as offline events. And by joining as a VIP member, you get access to these events. You get access to co-marketing activities, as well as we'll give you a platform on our co-creation summit. Lastly, the benefit is that we provide a platform as well as the infrastructure for you to sell or resell your solution or existing solutions through a web portal, let's say, called the Wise-PaaS Marketplace. And through this marketplace, you have a global, you can choose to have either a global or a regional push for your solution. And also, if you are a reseller through this program and through this platform, you can basically take the existing solutions that fit the market that you target. And by selling these solutions, you get incentivized. So here are some examples of the activities that we have done. You can see that we do a lot of offline events as well as on-site meetings. Here's an impression, let's say, of a co-creation summit that we've done in Suzhou in China last year, November last year in 2018. And we had over 5,500 guests coming over to share their ideas, but also our VIP members and SRP partners, so the Solution Ready Package partners, they were able to share their solutions and to have a reach to our sales force as well the extended partners that we have. So in terms of marketing material, what can you expect? So first of all, we create a lot of product catalogs, both available digitally as well as physically. So we also print them that you can use during trade shows or during customer visits. We create custom landing pages for solutions. And of course, these can all be customized if necessary. With the successful cases that we have, we also create case studies by writing articles, but also by creating videos. These can either be a video to introduce the solution, can be a testimonial video, anything that will put your solution on the market, let's say, we do. We also have magazines to offer all the different solutions. And by grouping the solutions for certain industries, then you can also have a very dedicated approach to offering your solution to the right market. Throughout the world, let's say, we work with a lot of media partners. So any press release that we have, we release to the market, but also the articles that we write, we also publish and also promote through different kind of medias. Next to that, we also offer third-party solutions that you offer through Advantech on the Advantech marketplace. where customers can find your solution. They can pay for a license if it's a license model, a perpetual license model, or if you are offering a subscription-based model, for example, cloud service, then that's also possible through this marketplace. Besides that, we also have some knowledge portals for both the technical documentation and support, as well as some online courses to get familiar with the different services that we offer. It's quite comprehensive, it's quite intuitive. You just need to go to the website, log in, and you can find the material that you need to move forward using our solutions. So what does it mean, the Wise-PaaS VIP membership? So we have two tiers. One is the VIP membership, where you get 6% discount on subscription-based services on our marketplace. So compared to a regular member, you have 6% discount. For 18,000 euros, you get 2,000 points. So you can see it as an investment. And once you've bought these points, you also get login credentials to the marketplace. So once you log in, you can use to redeem and buy licenses, or you can subscribe to a cloud-based service. To give you an idea, if you have one project where you want to connect the factory floor with a lot of endpoints, in no time you would need these amount of points and this kind of investment. And comparing to competition, what competition is offering, actually this is really a fraction of the cost that you have to pay for the type of service you get, as well as the type of solution you can offer to your end customer. So within the VIP membership, you also get access to trainings. So you can send 2 of your engineers to our training center to get trained. And on top, you get also 10 hours of consultation from our engineers. The one tier that's above this is a premium membership. So it's 36,000 euros. But what you get is a higher discount. So yes, you are investing double the amount, but if the project is sizable or you have a long-term vision, then it definitely makes sense to go for the premium membership, because not only do you get much more points, 1,000 points more, let's say, compared to when you buy 2 times a VIP membership. So it's more points, but also you get more discounts. So you get more points, but the service you buy is cheaper. On top, you can send more engineers to our training center, and also you get more training hours, consulting hours. As explained before, in terms of partner network, no matter what kind of membership you go for, you'll get access to our conferences, you get access to one-to-one business matchmaking, as well as we'll support you on application development. And in terms of go-to-market, you have access to our marketplace. We're willing to create content for you. If, for example, if you have a business case, a compelling one, then we can create articles, shoot videos, or do live broadcasting, anything creative you can think of to position your solution, we can do. And throughout our regular marketing channels, we will promote your solution, obviously. So to sum up a bit, so what is the Wise-PaaS marketplace platform? So first of all, it's a web portal where you can buy the VIP membership. After that, you'll get login credentials to this platform. And once you log in, you will see the amount of points you have, and you can also see the type of services you can obtain by redeeming these points. It can be either a perpetual license for a type of solution you're looking for. It can also be a subscription-based model. So by subscribing to a cloud service through the marketplace, it will deduct a certain amount of points depending on the SKU that you're going for and also the type of solution. It will deduct from the wise points that you have. So the moment then when it's get to a low point, it's good because that means you're taking the services. But then basically you'll be approached again to see if we want to continue with these services. If yes, then we can choose again what kind of membership you go for, and if you would like to end the subscription, that's also possible. Because it's all online, anything that you buy through this marketplace, you can basically, it will be delivered to your mailbox instantaneously. So you download the software, the activation keys, and so forth, and you can use it to activate your service. So you have just one management portal for all the different kinds of services you purchased. And you can easily see the running services, how much it costs, and so forth. So lastly, on the marketplace, you can also buy the technical support service, technical resources, let's say, simply by choosing the type of resource you would like, and also how extensive it should be. So is it just a 1 hour kind of thing, or 10 hours or more? And then through the marketplace, you can easily find the matching service that you're looking for. So going to give you an idea also what it means, the Wise-PaaS Alliance. There's a lot of companies already included in this alliance partnership. What you see here is basically that we have by far the biggest group is our system integrators that are part of the alliance. So if you have a solution-ready package, or if you're looking for a system integrator that can help deploy, manage, and sell your solution through the network event or through this marketplace, you can find the right partner. The runner-up are end customers. These are typically the larger OEMs with their own development team that want to create their own solution and deploy to the market, but they also need to have some Advantech solutions, could be gateways or with or without business application running on top, as well as the backend they would need. So what we see mostly are system integrators and end customers, to some extent channel partners that are reselling these services, and then there's also a larger group that are not really classified. So you can also see that, for example, Alianza is mentioned as one of the alliance partners. The next to present is Tony Liu. He's our corporate investment manager, and he'll give an introduction to our co-creation strategy.
Hello everyone, this is Tony from Advantech Corporate Investment Division. Today it's my honor to share with you more details about our co-creation program, which is a program that targets to enable our co-creation partners to accelerate the business growth together with Advantech. The first page shows the three phases of the trend of industrial IoT that we see in the near future. Advantech is now migrating from a pure hardware provider to a hardware plus software platform provider. We understand that in order to success in the new IoT era, a solid partnership and ecosystem is one of the key factors. So among the three IoT phases, we have identified two types of co-creation program, which are SRP co-creation and domain-focused system integrator co-creation, to create strategic vision and actions with our partners around the world. We aim to accelerate the business growth together with our co-creation partner and create a win-win situation together. From this page, you can see how our SRP and DFSI co-creation fit into the ecosystem and value chain of industrial IoT. For SRP co-creation, we look for IoT SRP developers in each domain and co-create SRP together with Advantech's Wise-PaaS and hardware platforms. For DFSI co-creation, we look for regional SI partners which has certain level of software and system integration capability in focused domain. And by leveraging the SRPs co-created from Advantech and our co-creation partners, we should be able to enable our DFSI partners to accelerate the business growth through the realization of digital transformation in different industries. As I mentioned, the main purpose of co-creation is to accelerate the business growth together with Advantech. Advantech is committed to provide extra resource from the perspective of marketing, business development, and technical support to help our co-creation partners accelerate the business growth. I will show you more details in the following pages. The first part will be our business development resources. As you know, Advantech has a strong global sales network with over 2,000 sales representatives in 25 countries around the world. Once our partners join our co-creation program, the co-creation partners will receive prioritized project referral opportunities from Advantech's global sales network. And these project opportunities will be distributed by partners' specific domain, region, industries, and capabilities. With the combination of Advantech's strong sales network and our co-creation partners' solution and local service capability, we believe a win-win situation can be created. The second key benefit for our co-creation partners is that our co-creation partners will have access to Advantech headquartered direct technical support. And we will also evaluate the possibility of new SRP co-creation with our co-creation partners. We understand many of our co-creation partners have their own value solution for a specific domain. So we will closely work with our co-creation partner to co-create new SRP for a certain application. We will work with our partners to integrate their solution with Advantech hardware or Wise-PaaS platform to come up with a more productized SRP. And we will help our partners to promote the SRP to our worldwide customers by leveraging our global sales and marketing network to generate more business opportunity. The third benefit for our co-creation partner is you will be able to leverage the global marketing resource from Advantech. For our co-creation partners, we will provide co-marketing resources like sponsorship for demo room setup, exposure at Advantech Solution Day, and other joint marketing activities including joint brochure development, social media exposure, and trade show support. We believe these marketing resources will definitely help our co-creation partners to get more branding and market awareness and further boost the business growth. So after you have understand more about the key objective and benefit of Advantech co-creation program, you may be wondering how you can participate in the wonderful program. So here are the major steps for the co-creation program. First, we will have initial engagement with the potential co-creation partners to discuss about the co-creation strategy and direction. If the partner is interested to move forward, we will sign a LOI, letter of intent, and start to develop the official co-creation business plan together. In the business plan, we will define the focus sector, focus SRPs, go-to-market plan, and key actions that we plan to do together after the co-creation. After the business plan is developed, we will sign an official co-creation agreement with the partner and officially start the co-creation process. We believe the IoT ecosystem is the key to success in the IoT era, and there are huge potentials and business opportunities waiting for us to reach. So if you are interested to become our co-creation partner, we're looking forward to hear from you. And please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Tony, for introducing the corporate investment program. It's very clear. So now we will give the floor to Arturo, who will introduce our Solution Ready Package program, which is the Advantech way to commoditize IoT.
Hello, everyone. My name is Arturo Lotito, and I'm the director of the Wise-PaaS ecosystem within the embedded IoT sector of Advantech Europe. It's my pleasure to invite you to join our co-creation partner conference, which will take place in Germany, close to Munich, on June the 6th. And you will have the chance to learn how Advantech and its ecosystem partners are working together to build a complete industrial IoT ecosystem to enable digital transformation in many different industries, thanks to our unique co-creation model. And now you may be wondering what's exactly the co-creation model, what's the meaning of co-creating with Advantech, how it works, what are the benefits, could eventually be the co-creation interesting for you? And let me try to answer this question looking at a real case and successful case, which is the co-creation of Advantech together with Alianza. Let's start from Advantech. I'm sure you know Advantech as a global company with a huge portfolio of more than 8,000 products, making it a leader of IoT intelligent systems and embedded platforms. And such product and technology leadership is strengthened by a worldwide presence capable of delivering services and with a presence of local sales and technical support, designing, customization services, RMA, and logistics everywhere in 26 countries worldwide. But Advantech now is evolving from being a component vendor to a solution enabler by establishing a new business model and strategy, which is, first of all, leveraging its comprehensive product portfolio as foundations, and then developing on top of those products as software layers, providing software modules and actually cloud services to easily and quickly connect and manage such devices, and most importantly, to stream data from them. And such IoT platform is called Wise-PaaS. Using the building blocks of the Wise-PaaS platform, Advantech has developed many industrial IoT applications, and this chart mentions only a few. But let me focus on DeviceOn, which is a really interesting example of IoT application. And it's interesting because DeviceOn addresses and solves a typical problem of any IoT solution, which is performing device operations and management securely and reliably. And how does DeviceOn achieve that? First of all, through a secure and zero-touch onboarding of the devices, then through a powerful visualization of the operations and of the maintenance data. It allows also for the creation of alerts, of warnings, and real-time automated actions based on the device data and predictive analytics, and allows also for the device firmware and software update over the air. And DeviceOn makes then easy to onboard, visualize, operate, and manage the industrial IoT devices, also thanks to a complete, modern, and easy-to-use user interface. And the success of Wise-PaaS DeviceOn is such that we decided to make it available not only for Wise-PaaS, which is our own platform, but also for other popular cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure. But actually, DeviceOn can run on any platform because DeviceOn can run in a container or in a virtual machine. Then, in my opinion, DeviceOn was a good example of IoT application built by Advantech, leveraging the Advantech building blocks. But then the real breakthrough is making such hardware, software, cloud services, so making such building blocks available also to the partners in order to co-create together with them solution-ready packages which combine the strengths of Advantech together with the partners' domain know-how and unique technologies. And I will make an example of a solution-ready package co-creation later on. And the last step is integrating the solution-ready package into the final solution through the customization and through deployment services, as well as maintenance and after-sale support services. And that's the last step and key contribution provided by system integrators with a domain know-how in the target application. And more than that, Advantech has created the Wise-PaaS marketplace to host and to distribute all the solutions built by Advantech and by its partners. The marketplace is constantly growing and counts already more than 300 partners, more than 130 solutions, and it's covering 16 regions. Then there are many good reasons to work with Advantech, which are, as we saw, a comprehensive portfolio of more than 8,000 products. Now we have also the Wise-PaaS Industrial Cloud with the software modules and cloud services, and the market leadership and worldwide presence of Advantech. So these are really good reasons, making Advantech the ideal partner to work with, isn't it? Yes, it is, and indeed, Alianza decided to co-create together with Advantech a digital solution, a digital transformation solution. Who is Alianza? Alianza is a small but pretty successful Italian company who has developed a software called ISC, allowing for a plug-and-play connection of any new or legacy industrial machine, whatever it is, a complex industrial equipment or a simple sensor, with any on-premise or on-cloud application. So the Alianza software is acting like a bridge between the OT domain and the IT domain, bridging machine and sensors with IT applications with a simple, scalable, and cost-effective solution. Alianza and Advantech decided to work together in order, as a first step, to embed the Alianza software into our hardware, into our gateways. But then we have integrated the Alianza software with our Wise-PaaS EdgeSense stack, which is extending the functionalities of the original Alianza solution. And the first obvious advantage is that thanks to the Wise-PaaS EdgeSense stack, the Alianza software gets connected to the Wise-PaaS cloud. But more than that, thanks to the EdgeSense services running on the cloud, we are adding to the Alianza software new functionalities like the remote monitoring and management of the gateway and the visualization of the collected data through auto-generated dashboards. And we are adding also over-the-air updates capabilities and security functionalities. And the result of this co-creation with Alianza is what we call a solution-ready package, combining hardware, software, cloud services from Advantech with the software and the vertical know-how of Alianza in order to achieve an end-to-end solution to connect any industrial equipment to the cloud. And that SRP, that solution-ready packages, is now an Advantech product called Edge Intelligence and Protocol Conversion, which is then proactively promoted, sold, and supported worldwide by Advantech and its partners. That's, I believe, an amazing way for a small company, Italian company, to scale its market reach and its business from Italy to the world, isn't it? And the next step is for the system integrators. The solution-ready packages enable, indeed, a system integrator to quickly build and provide digital transformation solutions based on the Wise-PaaS ecosystem of products, technologies, and partners. And the system integrators plays a key role in the value chain, thanks to its domain know-how and all the services it provides, from installation to customization, integration, and after-sale support. So, if you are an independent software vendor like Alianza or any technology provider willing to co-create a new solution-ready package with Advantech, or whether you are a system integrator or value-added reseller willing to build, to provide, to resell solutions and services around our solution-ready packages, our platform and ecosystem, well, you are invited to join the Co-Creation Partner Conference in Munich on June the 6th to know more about the co-creation and the Wise-PaaS ecosystem. And last but not least, Be aware that the co-creation strategy and the Wise-PaaS ecosystem is so important to Advantech that we have established in Europe within the embedded sector a dedicated team of business development management and solution architecting. We will help you with the commercial and technical assessment of the co-creation or partnership. We will understand your value proposition, your products, your services, your role in the value chain, and we will develop a go-to-market strategy to be successful together with you, also leveraging other partners of our ecosystem. We will enable Advantech sales forces and the technical department to sell and support the solution that we co-create together with you. And we will identify suitable targets and will support with the commercial and technical pre-sales up to the proof of concept. So do not hesitate to get in touch with us to know more and to start co-creating with Advantech. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Arturo, for sharing the SRP and DFSI program. It is great, of course, to learn that you have a team behind you to support these programs and going to market with it. So after hearing it from Advantech standpoint, let's hear it also from our partner, Alianza, who is the first European co-creation partner. So Pierluigi, the floor is yours.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Pierluigi Zenevre, and I am the director of the Business Unit Industry 4.0 in Alianza. I am a mechanical engineer. I joined Alianza in 2015 as a shareholder and member of the management board, having several managerial and advisory experience in different Italian as well as European company. Regarding Alianza, what analysts said about us, first of all, Gartner named Alianza among the reference vendor of factory automation, energy and utility transportation within its latest 2018 July Industrial IoT Gateway Market Guide. Other analysts like, for example, Forrester, Frost & Sullivan, ABI Research also mentioned Alianza in their report because of our unique IoT solution on the market. Regarding the present shop floor scenario, you have different companies that have created their own manufacturing capability, adding along the time different machines, different technology according to their, let's say, needs. And they have both the best machine, the best technology in order to be competitive on the market. But unfortunately, of course, there is not just a unique provider of industrial technology and controls. You have to buy different machines which have different industrial controls or PLC, CNC, and other device to have factory automation, to have industrial automation. And of course, that means that when you have to integrate all these kind of machine and getting data from them, the integration of such kind of technology is something that can be performed with different high cost and in any case low data availability. And that means that industrial devices are not internet ready, and then you have to spend a lot of time in order to have these machines and industrial equipment very well integrated. Indeed, Alianza solved this problem, and because of its connected by Alianza technology, is capable of integrating the shop floor to the IT application in very, let's say, economical, easy and fast way. That means that this solution is capable of implementing industrial Internet of Things project thanks to the soft edge solution from Alianza that without coding, indeed in an easy and intuitive way, thanks to a native web architecture and extensive integration capabilities, can connect any machine, production line, industrial equipment from any brand and manufacturer with on-premise or on-cloud application to implement Industry 4.0 solution like and application like manufacturing execution system, machine learning, predictive maintenance, augmented reality, virtual reality, with, let's say, cutting down cost for more than 80%. This is a big benefit that we can provide to our customer, to our ecosystem of independent software vendor and system integrator, as well as OEM machine manufacturer. This is mainly due to our unique technology, which is capable of having more than 5,000 drivers of industrial devices. Drivers means that you can connect easily each kind of technology, each kind of industrial automation technology directly to the IT application regarding the same concept of the driver of a printing machine. Alianza shortcut for plug-and-play IoT is something that is very well accepted on the market because it's avoid the standard integration path that you can see here on your left side of this slide. That means that any time that we have to add sensor or let's say controllers or let's say other industrial devices, you have to, let's say, combine its jump, so that from the left side, anytime that you add sensor or actuator, you have to bring this data from remote I/O, from here to the PLC or CNC, from here to SCADA, and then you have your IoT project deployed. According to industrial solution, the software solution of Alianza, this can be made easily according to our Expango library of more than 5,000 drivers of industrial device, taking data directly from each source and bringing directly to the IoT environment. That means sensor, actuators, as well as PLC and CNC, you can bring such kind of data embedded in this industrial device and bring them directly to the IoT application. Is the possibility to have Alianza as a solution provide the customers with a unique architecture for having data broadcasting to multiple cloud and application. From, let's say, the field environment to the application environment, you can easily have different data set going directly to the public clouds as well as on-premise. You have also the possibility to have the same data set going either to public clouds or on-premise, and eventually both on public clouds and on-premise. So that this is according to the, let's say, project that the Industry 4.0 project that the company wants to deploy. Alianza software is more than, let's say, a simple software. It is an intelligence 4.0 software. This provide a very unique solution, embedding the software in an hardware. That means embedded apps are also available, possibility to have data filtering, possibility to have edge intelligence analytic, and also to organize your project according to visual flow and configuration. Available brands in our device library and drivers editor are the most common industrial device in the industrial world. That means we cover more or less 80% of, let's say, the industrial automation equipment available on the market. And other, let's say, integration will be available quite soon. And we have also free web driver editor available in our technical library that you can easily download from our website. Alianza is ecosystem interoperability. That means that we have the possibility to connect new machine as well as retrofit the machine. That means Alianza can be natively installed in a new machine as well as can be installed in retrofitting project. That means that we are capable of secure, plug and play, multi-vendor, simple and high performance projects using our technology and bringing data to, let's say, different digital twin IoT apps, as well as, let's say, these kind of brands. We can have Alianza IoT apps that are embedded in our solution. That means possibility to have data going to server where data are stored, as well as we can open the data to different applications which are available on the market provided from different companies which are providing their solution for the IoT market. And then we have here some important data regarding our project. That means we have right now more than 200,000 broadcasted measures every minute on the market. We have deployed more than 800 systems thanks to our device driver made of more than 5,000 units. And then we have more than 40 certified partners. This provide us the validity, this provide to the market the validity of our solution. Indeed, Alianza counts more than 40 application partners that are system integrator, independent software vendors, OEM, or IoT distributors, and service provider using the technology. That means hundreds of machines and systems connected in many manufacturing plants worldwide, large industrial and energy customers, machine manufacturing embedding our IoT technology. Right now we have more than 1.5 billion connected asset value from smart factory and smart product application using our technology. Coming back to the, let's say, the reason of the today webinar is the introduction of the solution ready package that is the edge intelligence and protocol conversion, which has been realized in cooperation, in co-creation between Alianza and Advantech. Indeed, the SRP program has been conceived by Advantech to implement joint co-creation solution to allow the Advantech partner ecosystem to carry out end-to-end IoT project from the field to the cloud, included in the IoT Advantech platform that consists of IoT gateway, software solutions for interconnection industrial devices from field to cloud, IoT platform in cloud, Wise-PaaS 3.0, and IoT application. This is provided all in a box. That means Alianza software is embedded in the Advantech IoT Edge Gateway, providing multi-vendor equipment connectivity and direct connection to Wise-PaaS IoT cloud platform. This is an example of, this is a good picture, provided the easy way where Alianza take data from machine machine side, from let's say floor side to the application that are installed, that are equipped in, that are installed in the server as well as in public cloud, some hybrid cloud and public cloud. Is an easy approach to realize end-to-end solution open to every IoT app of Alianza and Advantech ecosystem. That means that data can flow directly from the field to provide a complete solution for speed and fast deployment with securing the final result of the application. The Edge Solution Ready package also can enable IoT-powered innovative business model and application thanks to the different capability of the 5,000 driver of Alianza. Protocol conversion and edge intelligence provide different capability to implement premium services, smart manufacturing project, smart processes, to have risk mitigation, and to have also new business model linked to, let's say, leasing or other, let's say, way to finance the introduction of new technology in each company. Some advantage provided to the customer of the Edge Solution Ready package, Advantech and Alianza, is the possibility to implement open solution that make available the ecosystem of partner, the possibility to realize project with any application, with any cloud, and with any brands of manufacturer and industrial automation provider. It's an open solution. That means that you have the possibility to link your project not to each single provider of technology and silos application. You can just have a disruptive way to make your Industry 4.0 project independent from each legacy environment. Indeed, the advantage of the Solution Ready package developed by Advantech and Alianza together is to increase the value of legacy equipment, to make them really open to connect industrial devices to the IT application, improve process visibility and productivity, and scale up system management with control capability at the edge. This solution is available for medium and large enterprises, as well as can be adapted for any machine and plant manufacturer and users in a very, let's say, easy and economic way in order to have the most important return of investment. And coming back to the CCPC of Monaco, we are very proud to participate in the next Advantech event in Munich in June the 60th, where due to the great success of the recent Advantech IoT Co-Creation Summit at the end of 2018 in Suzhou, the European partner will be in touch with this very powerful solution for which enable companies, partners to develop their IoT projects in a very powerful system and solution. Thank you very much for your.
Yes, thank you very much, Pierluigi, for sharing your thoughts from a partner perspective. And also thank you very much for the corporate speakers today, both Alan Yang, our CTO, as well as Tony Liu, our corporate investment manager, as well as our IoT BDM, Arturo. Thank you very much. And for the attendees, thank you for your attention for today. And as well, as mentioned many times now, we cordially invite you to our co-creation partner event that will be held June 6th in Germering, which is very close to Munich. The seats are limited. If you're interested in any part of the programs that we've mentioned today, I definitely could advise you to register for this event. It's first come, first serve base.
But definitely you will have the opportunity to speak with all those the experts that spoke today. That's the end of the webinar. If there are any questions that we can answer right now, we'll take a few moments to do so. And otherwise, thank you very much for today. Have a nice day.